Emeralde credit card. ICICI Bank honest pricing explained what you get for your money. The Emeralde credit card from ICICI Bank is a premium card, but most people get this wrong. They think all credit cards in the same category offer similar perks. The surprising truth is that Emeralde combines luxury benefits of rewards and concierge services tailored for high net worth individuals. Pricing includes an annual fee of €10, which may seem steep initially. You won't believe the perks included: lounge access at airports, high reward points on international spending, travel insurance, and exclusive concierge services. The card also offers milestone bonuses and access to premium lifestyle experiences, making it more than just a payment tool. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the annual fee. In reality, the benefits can easily outweigh the cost for frequent travelers or high spenders, especially when factoring in travel perks, lounge access, and cashback rewards. In conclusion, the Emeralde credit card's pricing reflects a combination of premium services and lifestyle benefits. By understanding the annual fee relative to rewards and perks, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether this card justifies the investment for your spending habits and travel needs.